The rolled hem is a great option for delicate fabrics such as chiffon or crepe de chine. It's also perfect for curved hemlines. This tutorial will show you how to create the rolled hem without a special presser foot. First, you'll need to find your hem allowance by checking your pattern piece, pattern directions, or your hem preference. In my example, my hem allowance is 1¼ inches. From this number, I will subtract 1/4 inch, so my new measurement is 1 inch. At the edge of my garment, where I want my hem to be, I'll stitch at my new measurement line. So in my example, I'm stitching 1 inch from the edge of my fabric using a regular length stitch. If you don't have a line on your needle plate to follow, attach a piece of painter's tape to use as a guide. Trim off the raw edge about 1/8 of an inch away from your stitches. Now fold the raw edge to the wrong side of the fabric. You'll see my stitches are directly next to the folded edge. The stitches help make folding easier. Press in place. Then fold again another 1/8 of an inch and press. Your hem should be extremely narrow. It will be difficult to pin this in place, so you may want to use clips to hold it. At your sewing machine, stitch this hem in place, again using a regular length stitch, about a 2.0, and stitch close to the top folded edge. And now your rolled hem is complete. This is a professional looking hem that's great for fabrics that fray, plus this hem won't weigh down lightweight flowy fabric. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of our new releases. Also check out ProfessorPincushion.com to view our complete library with well over 450 sewing tutorials. If you would like to directly support us, you can join our YouTube membership and earn some exclusive perks. Thanks for watching!